Good morning, family. It's travel day. So it's currently 5:15 in the morning. We have to drive to Atlanta to catch our flight in a few hours, but we're up early because we all know TSA, the craziness has still been happening. Don't want to take any risks, so let's get these kids up. It's time to get up because we're going on an airplane. You want to leave and go on a cruise? You do? Jordan, it's time to go on the airplane. All right, good morning, y'all. We're back. So it is 6:06. We have left the house. We're on the highway. Whole fam is here, and my mom is here. Atlanta, we're on the way, and then Miami, we're coming.
Keep right and then keep left.
Yeah, that's what somebody said.
That is so cool. All right, so honestly, y'all, this ride to Atlanta wasn't even bad at all. Even with the kids in the back being so early, I wanted to shout out the parking spot. We chose this. Jamie had parked here whenever we flew to California a few weeks prior, and it was amazing. He chose the Plus before, but this time we chose to fly. It was closer to the airport, so it was really, really convenient. And even shout out to the driver who, drove us there that morning. He was super nice. He was very helpful and everything. He gave us some tips and tricks. And then once we arrived to the airport, it was not chaotic. I was so shocked. I was very nervous at first because if y'all saw our last video, which you need to go watch it, the 8-hour travel day going to California, that video and this video were two total different things because it was mayhem back in March. I will say thank the Lord Almighty that TSA has been funded again because they're back at work. They are here. They're helping. And they've, like I said in the last video too, they've always been nice. But they were even nicer because, hey, you're getting paid. I don't even blame. And as y'all can see, the lines were non-existent, like so easy. Hey, y'all. We're at the airport. We went through security. We
Get through about 10 minutes.
30 minutes. It took us 30 minutes. 30 minutes today, y'all. It was so different from how it was 2 weeks ago, but we're about to go get on the train and go to Concourse B and then get some food and wait for our plane.
So guys, we're gonna be talking about the airplane, and my dad is coming over, and Louis is on school, and my grandma is at home.
Baby girl wanted to get some, a few minutes of fame, but yeah, so we are at the airport now, y'all, and we're headed to do one of her favorite things, which is get on the escalator. She kept asking for it, so hey. You so excited? Mom, you on here?
This is easy.
Jada,
Huh?
are you doing it? You're doing it. Yeah. And honestly, I feel so bad looking back because Jada actually fell at the end when she was riding on that little thing with Jordan.
Coffee.
But y'all, if y'all have never flown out of Hartsfield-Jackson airport, which is located in Atlanta, Georgia, then y'all have not experienced a real airport. And I say this all the time because Atlanta's airport is like its own city inside of a building. It has well over hundreds of eating places. It has a whole train, y'all, a whole train to take you from one concourse to another because it's that big. I personally have never walked it. I probably never will walk the entire thing, But Atlanta Airport is that girl. I love. People hate flying out of it, but I love it because it's big and it's convenient. Hmm. What do you mean your first steps? Hi.
Mom. Huh?
Say hi. Y'all ready?
Look, Jada, let's take a picture. Look at mommy. Jada, look up.
So guys, I was watching the movie, and my mommy just put booty on, but I say hey, but we were on an airplane, and just go, and I was one on the thing with Zoe, and my priest say it, and take you out, and I appreciate it, and guess who it is?
Here we go.
Okay, God.
So it's honestly, well, it should be no secret that I absolutely love flying Delta for different reasons, but mainly because like you really get what you pay for. And this flight, the takeoff and the landing, I have to give it like a 9 out of 10. Me and Jordan, we were kind of joking about it, but it wasn't bad at all. And it's something about being in the air and just noticing how life really is beautiful. And the world is so much bigger than like your city that you live in, because we get so caught up in like day to day and like work and stuff that we forget that it's more to life than just working or going to school and being stressed out. Like life is gorgeous. Life is beautiful. So that's my little spill, my little preaching moment to y'all. Get out there, enjoy it, catch a flight, get on the road, drive, have fun, live, and yeah. All right, y'all, we just literally just landed in Miami. We're waiting on our Uber to pick us up, and then we're going to the hotel and let the fun begin.
First time in Miami. Let's go.
Different ones. You going to the hotel. And y'all, this portable car seat, this portable booster seat comes in handy. I'm going to put the link in the description box because this is amazing. We're heading to downtown Miami. I don't know, man. It's something about Miami. Like I have, went to different cities and whatnot, different states, but the entire, Florida, like the entire state of Florida is just amazing. But Miami is hands down my most favorite city to visit. The vibes are always there. The weather is always beautiful. Yeah, they have hurricane season, as could anybody, have it. Shoot, Georgia had it, a couple years ago whenever we had Hurricane Helene. But it's just something about Miami. And this video does not do justice. It is so gorgeous. And we were so nervous about it because it was calling for a lot of rain. But the universe looks out for us, y'all. But let's get into this hotel. If you have not been to Miami, or if you're planning on booking, a cruise out of Miami, you need some place to stay, book the Hilton Miami Downtown. This hotel, again, video footage does zero justice. This hotel was the most beautiful hotel I've ever seen outside of the Bellagio in Vegas. That's top tier, of course. But this hotel checked every single box, from, you know, concierge to valet to just everything. Like, they treat every one of their guests like a queen or a king. Like, it was perfect. Okay, this is room 724. This is the 1-bedroom, 2-queen suite. First walk in, you have like a mini like hallway type situation. These are our bags. And this is one door. Keep that in mind, this is one door. This is also one bathroom so far. This is a half bath, no shower in this one, just your standard toilet, sink, all that good stuff. As you come around, you enter into the living room. This living room has a bay view, which is what I booked. It has your table right here, your couch, which pulls out into a queen size bed, 2 bean bags, and then in here we have the bedroom with 2 queen beds, another bay window with a TV, and down here have your fridge, lots of drawers. This room is amazing, y'all. Full-length mirror, a second entry. You have a closet with 2 robes, thank you. And this is a full bathroom. This bathroom, much bigger, with a shower and a tub. So as you're walking up, here's one bay window. And as you can see, you get the view of the city. Really good view of the city. And then you come over here, this is the second window. Again, really good view. More, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is Port of Miami, this area. I know, where is it? Virgin Cruises, they'll be ported there in the morning. And I'll try to also get some footage in the morning as all the ships are here. All right, so disclaimer, before y'all come for me in the comments, I did not get a chance to put the footage of the morning, you know, view on this video. It will be on the next video. Hence, you need to like and subscribe to see that next video. But I will say that we were able to, and another reason why I love the Hilton Miami is because we were able to walk to Publix and get like a few snacks and some waters and stuff like for the room. The Publix is within about 6 or 7 minute walk. It was super easy, super convenient and everything. So again, yeah. All right, y'all, we are here at the Marlins and Reds game, about to go inside and have some fun. I'm rooting with our Braves attire on. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. You see us. We are Braves down again because Braves country. We're from Georgia. Like, why not? But I will say, I got to give it to you. We're used to Truist Park and how beautiful it is. But I will say, loanDepot, y'all did y'all big one too, because this park was so gorgeous. And so as you can see, we're just walking up to go actually, you know, scan our tickets and whatnot at the gate. But even this walk, I really loved how it spelled out Miami in these little letter cutouts walking up to it. That was pretty cool for me. And it was just really, really cute, you know, really, really cute, really, really cutesy. We're about to go off. You got to walk off. Wait a minute. You got it? Yay! And then one thing that we like to do is before even finding our official seats, we kind of walk around a little bit, just kind of get some views. We're going to walk around a little more as well, kind of mid-game. But again, this is one of the, parks that we really did enjoy ourselves at. It had a lot to choose from. It was definitely family friendly. Both my 10-year-old and my 3-year-old enjoyed themselves. My mom, of course, Jamie and myself, we enjoyed ourselves a lot. It was nice. And hey, the roof was closed, which was perfect because again they were calling for rain.
All right, first pitch.
There's the pitch to Ryan Gusto. Translates here again for Patrick Strain. We're all with you, Patrick, as you continue with this. Just like me, something special about these Marlins this year.
Perfect. Give them something to hit. Let's go, Ellie. We'll take it. Now go ahead and steal. Yep, steal. Go ahead and steal third. They still threw it over for the kid to catch. Yeah, one of the players did. The soda bandit. He about to walk him too.
If he walks in enough, he can get a homer. Full count homers for that. But yeah, he's taking deep breaths. That's how you know bro's gonna get it.
And it's like, go! Woo! All right, give him something to hit. Woo! There we go! Yeah! Just like that! Yes, sir!
Let's go, Jacob!
She's still dancing.